Welcome, here I've got ASUS ROG Phone 3 and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the video to the left. So here we are in the video mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. In the video category we have the video stabilization, so by using this button we can turn it off and turn it on as we need. And also in this video mode we have one extra way to stabilize our video better. Let's go back to the video preview and focus on this button here. So by just one tap we can turn on hyper steady and another tap to turn it off as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.